In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Street View in Google Maps on Android. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to look around streets as if you're standing there in person, right from your phone. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Google Maps app. It's usually the app with the multicolored map pin icon. If you don't see it on your home screen, you can swipe up to open your app drawer and search for Maps. Once Google Maps is open, you'll see the main map view with a search bar at the top. Tap on that search bar and type the name of the place, address, or location you want to explore in Street View. This could be a city, a landmark, or a specific address. When you see the correct result appear in the list below, tap on it to select it. The map will now move and center on that location, and you'll usually see a marker or pin on the map. At the bottom of the screen, you should see a small information panel with the place name and sometimes a photo or rating. Tap on that panel to expand it. In this Place Details view, look for a small thumbnail image that looks like a street or a 360-degree photo. It may be labeled as Street View or show a small rotating circle icon. Tap on that thumbnail. When you do, Google Maps will switch into Street View mode. Now you should see a panoramic, street-level view of the location. To look around, simply drag your finger across the screen to rotate the camera in any direction. You can look left, right, up, or down, just by swiping. To move along the street, tap on the white arrows that appear on the road, or tap further ahead on the street itself. The view will glide forward to that point. You can keep doing this to explore the area step by step. If you want to go back to the regular map view at any time, tap the back arrow in the top left corner of the screen. That will close Street View and return you to the map. That's all you need to see Street View in Google Maps on Android. Open Maps, search for a place, tap the location details, open the Street View thumbnail, and then swipe and tap to explore. With this, you can preview routes, explore neighborhoods, or just virtually visit places around the world.